Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to delete your iQIYI account. Now let's say you want to delete your iQIYI account. How do you do this? But before we go there, just know that if you delete your account, your personal information, your VIP privileges, everything will be erased right away, and deleted account cannot be recovered. I repeat, it cannot be recovered, so be sure of that before you delete it. Now, if you don't need to use the app for the time being, you just cancel the renewal instead of deleting the account. It's better than deleting the account and never ever being able to recover it. But if you insist on deleting the account, follow these steps. 1. If you're using the website, simply go to your profile picture, then tap on your account and tap on delete account. It's as simple as that. Then if you're using the mobile app, tap on me. After logging in, tap on me, tap on settings, then tap on account and security and choose the delete account option. Be very careful when you do this. Remember, if you want to delete it, it cannot be recovered.